I feel very privileged and lucky and honored to be part of this historic day here in Saskatoon. This is a day that marks the beginning of the end of the battle that we have against COVID-19. And it's certainly a historic day because of the fact that we really never thought that this day would come in December or in January and February for that matter. And so I feel privileged, I feel honored, and certainly humbled that I'm one of the first few people to go and get the vaccine here in Saskatoon. Well, I think that part of our ability to care for our patients is to be safe ourselves and also to protect our patients from getting sick. And so professionally being able to be vaccinated, it's going to give me the protection that's needed in the next few months to care for all my patients, but especially those patients who have COVID-19 in order to be safe and healthy and be able to do my job to the best of my ability here. Oh, this is an amazing moment. I have to say that for the first time ever, I wanted to just go to sleep and wake up and for today to happen. I don't remember the last time I was excited to have my shirt and everything ready to wear today. I think this is a very joyful day. The pandemic and COVID-19 brought a lot of very difficult days, personally, professionally, and for all of us, not just me in the province. And so to have a moment like this and a day like this where we could think of something that's really positive I'm ecstatic. I'm really happy. If it wasn't for the mask, you would see that my smile is really big. But we are wearing our masks. Obviously, I use every opportunity possible to remind people that we really still need to do our best, continue to wear our masks, wash our hands, limit our bubbles, and to not think that the vaccine has ended this pandemic. It will eventually, but for now we really need to continue to do our part and find ways to spread joy and happiness in this Christmas, in this holiday, without actually physically being with each other. Sure, I think that the first thing is that we are one here in Saskatchewan, and so Saskatchewan, or SK, is just represents all of us. It's not certain people in the city or in rural areas. It's not people in any political affiliation. We're all one. The other thing is I do believe in science, and that's been the message that I've taken from day one, is that science will get us out of this safely and with the least amount of tragedy possible. And so I do think today is a huge day for science, and so it has to be represented. And then I think that spreading fear and misinformation and sadness is very easy, but spreading hope is what people really need. And then what can't be seen on the front of my shirt is on the back of my shirt. If you want, I could turn around and show you that. But I think that really represents how I feel about the vaccine today. And I am trying to make a statement that, all of us together with hope and science and vaccines can get out of this with the least amount of tragedy. It's a great day. I certainly encourage that all my fellow citizens here in Saskatchewan take the vaccine when it's your turn. I do have to say that we all need to be really patient. As you know, it's a difficult process, and it takes a lot of logistics to have that. So I encourage all my friends, my family, my fellow citizens to be patient until your turn comes. But when your turn does come, make a statement. Enjoy this day. Remember it. It will be a very memorable day. I know that for sure.